Let us practice one example. An object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror would be a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature of the size of the image. Suppose this is a concave mirror. The focal length is 15 centimeter and the center of curvature will be at 30 centimeters. So here the object placed at 25 centimeters. Suppose here we place the object and the height of the object is about 4 centimeter. The object distance is 25 centimeters. Therefore, given that focal length f is equals to minus 15 centimeters, object distance u is equals to minus 25 centimeters, object height is equals to plus 4 centimeters. Let us find v value. We know the mirror formula 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Therefore 1 by minus 15 is equals to 1 by minus 25 plus 1 by v. 1 by v is equals to 1 by 25 with minus 1 by 15. Therefore 1 by v is equals to minus 2 by 75. V is equals to minus 37.5 centimeter. So the screen should placed at 37.5 centimeters from the pole of the mirror, and the image is real image. Now the image distance, we know the magnification m is equals to hi by ho equals to minus v by u. Substituting ho, v, u values in this equation, therefore hi by 4 is equals to minus 37.5 by 25. Finally hi is equals to minus 6. The image is inverted image and enlarged image. Making of solar cooker. Make a wooden frame in the shape of TV dish. Cut acrylic mirror sheets 8 to 12 pieces in the shape of isosceles triangles with the height equal to radius of the TV dish. And the bases of 8 to 12 triangles together make the circumference of the dish. stick these triangle mirrors to the dish as shown in figure. Your solar cooker is ready. Arrange it so that concave part faces towards sun. Find its focal point and place a vessel at that point. The vessel gets heated enough to cook rice. Thank you.